Hi, fifth grade. Welcome to the Hour of Code in TVE Tech class. To get to your Code Studio account, we double-click Angel, click on TVE Tech, and scroll down to find your fifth grade Code Studio icon. Here you'll see everyone in fifth grade alphabetized by first name. Please click on your first name. Click on the secret picture given to you on the card by the teacher and click on the orange sign-in button. I'm going to pause now so that you don't see my secret picture and so you can go follow this direction. So when you log in, you'll see we're assigned to Course F as a fifth grader. They've really done a lot of great work in adding lots of awesome code activities. So much so they've separated into Ramp Up to Course F, and End of Course Projects for fifth grade. Well, I wish we had time to do all these awesome activities, and you're welcome to work on them on your own. But I've picked out 4 or 5 for us to work on during our Hour of Code month. So when you get into Course F, we're going to come over to the Ramp Up section and start with Lesson 4, Debugging with Scrat. You'll see it has 10 activities in the row. The diamonds represent a learning video. They will teach you what debug is, how to debug, and how to use the Blockly code blocks clicking together. If you scroll down to the bottom, you'll see the color codes. You want bright green circles, which indicates you completed the code building perfectly with the correct number of blocks. If you have a pale green, please click that number again and remove the extra blocks you used. So today you're working with Scrat from Ice Age. You're going to work with him on debugging in 10 activities. If you happen to finish that, go ahead and launch Lesson 5 and work with Programming in Artist. Again, you'll see it starts with the video. So if I click on Lesson 4, you'll see this girl's going to work you through how to do it and what to do. Please watch this video carefully. You can always go back and watch it again, actually. Then click Continue to look at the first puzzle. At the top are the directions. You can click the audio to hear it read to you. This is your workspace. This tells you how many blocks you should use to solve the puzzle. You don't want to go over this number. You can match this number, or if you're really good, there are some puzzles where you can use less blocks than the coders at Hour of Code. When you've built your code and connected it to the When Run block, you click the Run and see if your program gets Scrat to the acorn. If it doesn't, you can always trash what you don't need, use a different block, or you could also use the Step button, which she'll explain in the video. You may see other videos to help you understand the concept if you're still confused. When you finish successfully, it'll tell you how many lines of code you wrote. To see the actual JavaScript, click Show Code, and you'll see the JavaScript, the world's most widely used coding language that's kind of built under the hood of the blocks you just clicked. So this is the actual JavaScript. It was the same thing under each one. It was the same block of code. Click the orange Continue button and move on to the next. The light bulb means there are hints hidden. This one has 3 hints hidden. If you need them, they're there. If you don't, they're not. If for some reason you get bogged down and you want a fresh start on this puzzle, you do have a Start Over button, and it'll take you right back where you went to the beginning to start again. Have fun debugging with Scrat, and if you get to Artist, tell them I said hi.